just we can have a look what is the market doing. Okay, so first let me switch off all the drawing and or whatever the charge whatever the uh, thing is on my chart. Okay, this is like today's like this is the Nifty. Yeah, so this is the Nifty chart. So you see today market has opened here, right? If you can we can have a look on the 5 minute time frame. Okay, then we can have the clear view. Okay, you see the market range bound today is open here, right? So then total market is just moving here and here. The complete range is very narrow, 66 point. Okay, so there is no opportunity for the option buyers, right? They only for the sellers. Yeah, so this is the very narrow range, right? Narrow range market perform. So yeah, so now I want to show one thing. See, I don't want to tell other things, just I want to show, or I want to demonstrate my design model capabilities here. Okay, so how it is capable, and see it this our model capacity is to capture the very narrow range also. Okay, so let me switch on the model here, right? And you see that we have the I have switched our design model, and if you follow the our model, then it can help you to, it can help you a lot. So you can save yourself by making a bad decision. Okay, so you see the our model is guiding you, right? So then you can see these are the point I have mentioned here. So these are the this point, this are because this is projected source point, this one that is one, and say this one another one, and you see the another one. So at market moves that the source of that new projected source point will be formed. So previously whatever the previous short source projected short point formed, then they will be disappear. So only current one, what are the current market current, based on the current history of the market, then it can be formed. Okay, you see the market, I told you about the market is only the 60 point range bound, and you see the capability of a Burma. If you are if you want to capture these points, you can capture. Okay, based on the our design model, and our model is suggesting to the entry also, right? This is the like this is the projected source point, and it also shows the this one the indicator to make a your short enter. Okay, so these are the indicate, this is that is not the point of discussion here. So only the point of discussion about the projecting or demonstrating our this one uh, our this projecting point. Okay, so now this is the situation. So if you want to look look at the different around 15-minute time frame chart, okay, then you can have a look that what kind of structure the market is forming. Okay, to see what is the market today's what market has formed. Like see here, this clearly showing here one swing here, one source for projecting source is here, right? So and projecting coming only down, right? And another the market has made the higher highest point in the morning, right? Then it is around 25,000 Okay, so you can have a look here the number. Okay, so 24,145, right? So this is the projective point. Second point also similar way is the, but not that one, is the less 25,142, this is 45. So these are the two projecting points, right? If you are looking for the bigger time frame like 15 minute. Okay, also you can have a look into 30 minutes what's happened in today 30 minutes charts. You see every candle, every current candle is not it not break the high of the previous candle. You see here this candle, you see here this, here. Okay, this candle is currently forming, right? So today's yeah, so this is the this is, and you can have, if you want to see the clear picture how, see you can just a very small enter for the small region, right? So then we can switch the one time frame, right? Then you can have a look what kind of a structure market form, that is very narrow range. Okay, that's what I just zoom, I want to show only the capability of my model, my design model. Okay, see here projecting point, and if you see all the projected point, these are the very crucial point, and the at that these point are the very decision making point. You can make enter and but if you are entering here, then your disregard, I mean your SL will not be have the bigger value, it is very small value. So as you know, in this market, if you know if you identify the correct location to enter into the market, that is the most important. Yeah, as you know, today's market not for the so on doesn't have the momentum. Okay, so that only for the option sellers today. Only the opportunity in the market only for the option sellers, not for the option buyer. Most of the yeah, mostly all the time. Only very few entries you get, but that is not the if you look into the premium, so they are not more moving, right? Yeah, they are very just fluctuating. Okay, so that is the capability I want to demonstrate on the negative. So we can switch off, suppose I switch off my model, right? We design model and or drawing also, so we can select another. You can see on the Nifty also the same thing. Yeah, we can apply on the Nifty chart. And just I want to add before the Nifty discuss about the Nifty's status. Uh, status. So then you see the India VIX. See the India VIX today. India VIX performed very well, poorly, right? It's around now India VIX value is 14.68, right, currently. So that is not supporting for the high momentum, right? So like option buyer needs, right? Option buyer need the more bigger momentum in the market, so then they can make some good profit. Okay, so only the opportunity today is for the option buyer, nothing else. No, nobody else make profit today other than that those. So see now, just that's the second term. So always track the Nifty this India VIX together, or with the all the Nifty. You need to but here I would like to mention here, before entering to the market you need to do the very good research for that, how the India VIX work for the different assets. So as you know, they, every in the line mean every stocks and every index, they are behavior like differently. So you need to study thoroughly, you need to study the behavior of whatever the chart you are looking for. Okay, based on that you can make your own decision. So now today here only we are not giving any advice, just only we are just demonstrating our model capabilities here. So we have developed, okay, and that our model, it is having very good mean very excellent capability. So then convection rate is very high of our model. So now let's come into the point. So that we have selected the Nifty bank chart here. So then you can switch on our model, right? So then you can have a look our model. So you see the look. So similar way like we have apply on the Nifty chart, right? So then here we can also apply for the Nifty bank. So similar way you can look, they are the projecting source point, right? So these are very important. And also you can see the Nifty bank also, I think what is the range the Nifty follows today. So we can have a look. Okay, so Nifty bank, so yeah, but you see here range is very high, so only just open gap up open, and then the sideways. Yeah, and also one more important features here in this our model we have included. So as you see this sign is a point of reversal candle. So whenever this point of shows is showing your some indication, so then some another activity will happen, so be alert. Okay, based on this you can make your own decision. So like here some pop-up, you can see the red color sign. So suppose if I am expanded this a little bit, then you can see this is the symbols. Whenever the opportunity came, that our model pop-up may notify you. So here and here, so suppose like at the some decision making is happening, whenever the new opportunity will come, then it will show you the mark. Okay, so that's it to demonstrate. So as you know, this is we have developed this model, and this model is having very good capacity. So see, like today's market, if you are not following our model, so you can see, if you do, so most see, if you notice that from the starting point, I haven't talked about any trend line. I haven't told you any resistance line and support line. So we don't require here in our system, we don't require that, automatically system work for you. Okay, just on by one click. So if you click, everything can be drawn. only you need to select the particular, like this is the our level, sir. So just this level we have the some factor, just we have the setting, you need to change the setting, then it will be automatically, it will drawn for you based on your assets value, right? So like suppose if I switch, you can see, you can have a look, if I switch this graph to the Nifty, so then you can see this line automatically adjust, you see, wait a minute, yeah, see, you can see. So that is the particular number we have, so then that we need to give the some proper setting, then it will automatically adjust. You see that for the Nifty at around here, right? So that angle we are supposed to, that angle, like this is a 0 or a 0 or 160, then that some, yeah. So then that we need to give the some proper setting, then it will automatically adjust. You see that for the Nifty at around here, right? So that angle we are supposed to, that angle, like this is a 0 or a 0 or, okay, fine. So this one, just I want to demonstrate it, this one, okay. So today we will just we have about to complete today's market session. So now around 3:15 now. So tomorrow we will see, and if somebody is interested, then just you can note my email, you can mail me, so then we can have the separate discussion, so then we can talk about the little more detail, so how you can benefit, you can get benefit from our design model, okay. Yeah, thank you, see you tomorrow then. Yeah, bye.